Have you ever wondered how to grow your own bell peppers at home? Imagine the freshness, the cost savings, and the sheer joy of watching your garden thrive. Today, we'll break down the process of growing bell peppers into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First, you need to choose the right pepper. A ripe, robust bell pepper is key. The seeds within such a pepper are more likely to sprout and flourish into vibrant plants. So, you've got your perfect pepper. What's next? After you have your pepper, it's time to prepare the seeds. Slice open the pepper and gently remove the seeds, setting them aside to dry. It's crucial to let them dry completely to ensure successful germination. Now that your seeds are ready, let's move on to planting. Planting the seeds is a crucial step in growing your bell peppers. Start by choosing a well-draining soil mix, ideally one rich in organic matter. Plant your seeds about 1/4 inch deep, ensuring they're covered but not buried. Regular watering is key, but be careful not to overwater. The soil should feel damp, not soggy. This balance encourages healthy root development and growth. With your seeds in the soil, you're well on your way to growing your own bell peppers. Growing bell peppers doesn't end with planting the seeds. It's a labor of love that requires ongoing attention. You need to ensure your plants are getting enough, but not too much water. They also crave sunlight, so a sunny spot is ideal. And let's not forget the potential pests. Aphids and other small insects can be a nuisance, but don't worry, a simple homemade spray of water and mild soap usually does the trick. With patience and care, you'll soon see your bell peppers start to grow. After a few weeks of care and attention, your bell peppers will be ready to harvest. Look for vibrant colors and a firm touch. These are signs of a ripe pepper. Now you know how to grow your own bell peppers at home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.